Hello student, this is the ninth part of continuity of a function. Today also I am going to explain some problems based on continuity of function at a particular point and particular intervals. So this is today's first problem. Check the continuity of the following functions. See the first question, students. F of x equal to x plus 1 for the values of x lesser than or equal to 1. F of x equal to 2x for the values of x lies between 1 to 2. F of x equal to 1 plus x square for the values of x greater than or equal to 2. So for this function you want to check the continuity at x equal to 1 and 2. So first at x equal to 1. Okay, sure. What should find an f of 1 minus, that is called LHL. So for this type of problems, directly you can find LHL and directly, because we have a rule for f of x for the values of x less than 1. For that rule, put x equal to 1, what you will get, that is f of 1 minus. And also f of 1 minus and f of 1 are same, because the rule is given x lesser than or equal to x. That's why f of 1 minus f of 1 both are same. So which is same as 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. Next, f of 1 plus I want to find, students. F of 1 plus, here this rule 1 plus x greater than 1 less than 2, 1 plus rule. In this rule put x equal to 1, what we will get, that is taken as f of 1 plus 1, that is 2. What is my observation here? F of 1 minus equal to f of 1 plus equal to f of 1. Therefore f is continuous at x equal to 1. F is continuous at x equal to 1. So this is the answer for the first one, that is continuity at x equal to 1. The function is continuous at x equal to 1. Okay. Yeah, students. Next, at x equal to 2. At x equal to 2. Just you want to find f of 2 minus first. F of 2 minus, here this is the rule 2 minus, so 2 into 2, that is equal to 4. Next, f of 2 plus I want to find f of 2 or 2 plus, same rule, that's why f of 2 plus f of 2 gives same. So in this rule, instead of x write 2, what we will get, that is f of 2 plus and f of 2, that is 1 plus 2 square, that is equal to 1 plus 4, that is equal to 5. So what is the meaning of that? F of 2 minus is not equal to f of 2 plus. Therefore, given function is not continuous at x equal to 2. I will write. Therefore, f is not continuous at x equal to 2. Not discontinuous. What type of discontinuity? Non-removable discontinuity. That to jump type. Okay. Okay, students. Next, second problem. Yeah, f of x equal to x square minus 9 by x square minus 2x minus 3 for the values of x from 0 to 5 and not equal to 3. F of x equal to 1.5 for x equal to 3. You want to check the continuity at 3. So what is given? X is not equal to 3. One rule is given here. For x is equal to 3, another rule is given. Okay, so directly you want to find the limiting value of the function at 3. No need to find LHL, RHL. Okay, directly you can find a functional value of the limiting value of the function at x equal to 3. So if it is equal to 1.5, then I can say that the function is continuous at the particular point. Okay. I will write that f of 3 minus equal to f of, actually separately you want to find LHL, RHL. For this problem no need to find, because the rule is given for x is not equal to 3. There is no separate for x less than 3 and greater than 3. That's why directly you want to find limiting value of the function at 3 nana. Okay. So which is same as a limiting value of f of x is tending to 3. So limiting value of x square minus 9 by x square minus 2x minus 3, x is tending to 3. Students, this is now 0 by 0 form. Okay, you can use L'Hopital or you can use factorization, or any way you can find the limiting value. So here I am using factorization method now. Limiting value of the numerator can be written as x plus 3 into x minus 3. By denominator can be written as x minus 3 into x plus 1. X is tending to 3. So x is tending to 3, not equal to 3. That's why I can cancel these two. So what happened? Limiting value of x plus 3 by x plus 1. X is tending to 3. Substitute now. What we will get now? 6 by 4, that is equal 3 by 2, that is equal 1.5. So what is the conclusion I will write here? Therefore, okay, f of 3 equal to limiting value of f of x where x tending to 3, means that f is continuous at x equal to 3. F is continuous at x equal to 3. Okay. So this third problem you people can complete now, easy one only. Next problem, interesting one. F is given by 3 rules: for lesser than or equal to 1, minus 1 to 1, greater than or equal to 1, is continuous function on R. Interesting. And use another color. Continuous on R. Then find the values of A and B. Listen students, actually f of x is defined in three pieces. For turning points of x are 1 and minus 1 and plus 1. Values of x less than minus 1, this is the rule. From 1 to minus 1 to 1, this is the rule. For 1 to 10, more than 1, this is the rule. What is the meaning of that? Clearly given the function is continuous everywhere means it should be continuous turning points also. Turning points. Here x is equal to minus 1 and x equal to 1 are called turning point. At turning points also function should be continuous, because given that function is continuous everywhere. I will write that. Given f is continuous on, I will write on R, on capital R, implies it should be continuous at x equal to minus 1 and x equal to 1. Okay. I want to write yet x equal to minus 1. It should be continuous. What is the meaning of that? I will write in bracket that f of minus 1 minus should be equal to f of minus 1 plus should be equal to f of 1. So that implies f of minus minus. So this is f of minus minus. So in that put directly x equal to minus 1. What we will get? That is taken as f of minus minus. That is minus a minus b equal f of minus 1 plus minus 1 in this rule. In this rule, my x is greater than minus 1, and that rule put x equal to minus 1. What we will get? That is taken as f of minus plus. That is 3 plus 4a plus 2b. So equal f of 1 means f of minus 1. Sorry, this is f of minus 1 first rule only. That is minus a minus b. So these two are same means what I can say finally, minus a minus b should be equal to 3 plus 4a plus 2b or 5a plus 3b plus 3 equal to 0. This is the one of the relation between a and b. One more relation we want to find the values of a and b now. Okay. Next, at x equal to 1 I will write. Sorry. At x equal to 1. What happened? F of 1 minus should be equal to f of 1 should be equal to f of 1 plus f of 1 minus, where is that here? F of 1, I want to use another color. f of 1 minus, this is, in this rule put x equal to 1, what we will get, that is f of 1 minus 3 minus 4a plus 2b. 3 minus a, no, I want plus 3 minus 4a plus 2b, I think, I want to check. Okay, equal to f of 1 or f of 1 or f of 1 plus, both are 10. So I can write here 10, here also I can write 10. What is the meaning of that? 3 minus 4a plus 2b equal to 10, or 4a minus 2b plus 7 equal to 0. This is equation number 2. Write one by one, solve them, you get the values of a and b. Okay, what is first one? 5a plus 3b. I will write here 5a plus 3b plus 3 equal to 0. 5a plus 3b plus 3 equal to 0. Yeah, this is 4a minus 2b plus 7 equal to 0. You can use cross multiplication method or substitution method or elimination method, any method you can use. So I want to use elimination method. This is multiplied by 2, this is multiplied by 3. So what I will get, I want to write here 10a plus 6b plus 6 equal to 0. 12a minus 6b plus 21 equal to 0. Add them. So 22a plus 27 equal to 0, or a equal to minus 27 by 22. Okay, next we want to find a value by using any one of, b value by using any one of the equation. So I want to use simple one, that is first one. What is first one? 5a plus 3b plus 3 equal to 0. 5 into, just now I got a value, minus 27 by 22 plus 3b plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, minus 5, 7 5s are 35, 5 2s are 10, 135 plus 66b plus 66 equal to 0. Or 66b is equal to 135, 66 subtracted 9, here 2, 4, here 4 for 6, 69. So b equal to 69 by 66, 23s are 22s are. Therefore a equal to minus 27 by 22, b equal to 23 by 22 are the required a and b values. Friends, our next question. Find the real constants a and b so that the given function is continuous on R. On R means at turning points at 0, at 1 and 3 it should be continuous. Okay, f is continuous on R implies it is continuous at x is equal to 1, turning points 0 and 1 and 3. Okay, by using this 0, 1, 3 we want to find the ABC values. Okay. At x equal to 0, what happened actually? F of 0 minus equal to f of 0 equal to f of 0 plus 1. F of 0 minus f of 0, same rule, no? Put x equal to 0 in that, what will get that? Sin 0, 0, 0, sin 0 equal to 0 plus, here 0 plus, instead of x at 0, what will get a? So finally a equal to 0, this is the one of the value of a. Next, at x equal to 1, what happened? F of 1 minus equal to f of 1 plus equal to f of 1. f of 1 minus, I want to show you, students listen, f of 1 minus and f of 1 minus here, f of 1 minus here, sorry, here f of 1 minus, so instead of x we write 1, what will get, that is taken as 1 minus 1 plus a, 1 plus a equal to f of 1 plus, here 1 plus or 1 both are same, b plus 3, also b plus 3. What will get, Nana? 1 plus a equal to b plus 3. Already you got a equal to 0, then b equal to minus 2. See here, a is 0, no? B plus 3 equal to 1, b equal to minus 2. Okay, completed. But we need to cross check with our required b. At 3 at 3 also it should be continuous, no? So at 3 also you need to find the relation. The relation should satisfied by a equal to 0 and b equal to 2. Then only you can say that those are the required values. Okay. At 3 I will write at x equal to 3. So what is the rule for 3 and lesser than 3? Directly I want to write f of 3 minus and f of 3, both are giving same rule, should be equal to f of 3 plus. F of 3 minus, where is that? Here, 3 minus. In this rule, put x equal to 3. 3b plus 3. 3b plus 3. 3b plus 3 equal to here also 3b plus 3 equal to f of 3 plus. F of 3 plus is minus 3. What is the meaning of that? 3b plus 3 equal to minus 3. 3b equal to minus 6. b equal to minus 2. Means what you got previously b, that is correct. Therefore final solution, therefore a equal to 0 and b equal to minus 2 are the required values of a and b. Okay, important model student, this one. Yeah, if the function f is defined by two rules, is continuous function on minus 1 to 2, then find the value of k. Students listen, a function domain is given minus 1 to 2 nana. Here critical point or turning point is 1 here, somewhere 1. So clearly given the function is continuous, in this total interval is continuous, obviously it should be continuous at 1, and here right continuous at minus 1 and left continuous at 2 indirectly. Okay, I will write that. F is continuous on closed minus 1 to 2, mean it is right continuous, just I will write continuous, I don't want it directly, at x equal to minus 1, and left continuous at x equal to 2 and continuous at x equal to 1. Okay, using this you need to find the values of k. Using this one only I think you will get the solution, continuous at x equal to 1. Okay, f of 1 minus should be equal to f of 1 plus should be equal to f of 1. F of 1 minus here, f of 1 minus, 1 minus. So instead of x you write 1, what we will get? K plus 1, k plus 1 here. Should be equal f of 1 plus, 1 plus, f of 1 plus or 1 both are same, that is 0, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1. So k plus 1 equal to 0, k equal to minus 1, the required k value equal to minus 1. Okay students, another problem. If the function f of x is given by f of x equal to k square x minus k for x greater than or equal to 1, 2x less than 1, is continuous in R. Is continuous R means obviously it should be continuous at 1 only. Okay, so given f is continuous on R, mean it is also continuous at x equal to 1. F of 1 minus equal to f of 1 plus equal to f of 1. F of 1 minus, here this is the rule, 2 only. F of 1 plus f of 1, given same rule, put x equal to 1 there. So what will get? K square minus k equal to k square minus k. What is the meaning of that? K square minus k should be equal to 2, or k square minus k minus 2 equal to 0, factors k minus 2 into k plus 1 equal to 0, therefore k equal to 2 or minus 1. Question: if the function f is defined by 3 rules, then discuss the continuity of f. Where we need to discuss, that is important thing. 1, I think minus 2, after that 1. So if x less than minus 2, we have one rule. X lies between minus 2 to, we have another rule. X is greater than 1, another rule. So what I can say, x equal to 2 and x equal to 1 are called turning points of the function. So we need to check the continuity of the functions at the turning point, at x equal to minus 2 and x equal to 1. Okay. Yeah, students, listen. Continuity at x equal to minus 2, that is first one. First of all, I want to find f of minus 2 minus. Where is the rule? Here, the rule here, minus 2 minus. Put just x equal to minus 2 in that, what we will get? That is gives f of minus 2 minus. If we get finite value, substitute none. 6 by minus 2 minus 10, 6 by minus 12, that is equal minus 1 by 2, a finite value. That's why what I can say, LHL equal to minus 1 by 2. Next, f of minus 2 plus I want. F of minus 2 plus and equality also, same rule, equality also. F of minus 2 also with the same rule. In this rule, put x equal to minus 2. If you get a finite value, that finite value is limiting value. 5 minus 3 into minus 2, that is equal to 5, 3 2s are 6, that is equal to 11. What is the meaning of that? F of minus 2 minus not equal to f of minus 2 plus. Therefore, f is not continuous. At x equal to minus 2. Okay. Now our checking at x equal to 1 next. Yeah, next at x equal to 1. So what should find Nana? F of 1 minus should find first. F of 1 minus or f of 1, both are give same. F of 1 also, what is the rule? 5 minus 3x. And put x equal to 1 in that formula. If you get finite value, that finite value is limiting value. So 5 minus 3 into 1, that is equal to 2. Okay, next what I want? F of 1 plus I want. Students, f of 1, this is the rule. Put x equal to 1 in that formula. What will get? 1 minus 1 by root minus 1 will get 0 by 0 formula. So we are not getting a finite value. Means directly you can't find f of 1 plus while substituting 1 in that formula. Okay. So what should do? You need to find as usual limiting value f of x tending to 1 plus, which is same as limiting value f of 1 plus h is tending to 0, which is same as 1 plus h minus 1 to root over 1 plus h minus 1, limiting value h is tending to 0. Okay, I will write in next page. So limiting value of h by root over 1 plus h minus 1, h is tending to 0. After cancelling these two, So here also after substituting h equal 0, we will get 0 by 0 form using L'Hopital rule or using rationalization concept. We can find the limit. That is not a big problem for us. Limiting value h by, I want to make denominator the rational number root over 1 plus h plus 1 by root over 1 plus h plus 1, h is tending to 0. So limiting value of h into root over 1 plus h plus 1 by a minus b into a plus a square minus b square minus 1. What happened here? This get cancelled. After that h also can cancel because h is tending to 0, h is not equal to 0. What I can say? This is nothing but 1 plus h plus 1, h is tending to 0. That gives 2 only. What happened? F of 2, sir, what is that? F of 1, I think, 1 plus I got 2. I want cross check. F of 1 minus I got 2, F of 1 plus also 2, means that the function is 1 minute. F of 1 minus equal to f of 1 plus equal to f of 1. Therefore, f is continuous at OUS, okay, at x equal to 1. I hope you people understood.